What's up, everybody? John from Old Reading Farm. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're going to have our dogs plant our garden. This thing has really gone off the rails. Dogs are good for... Why do we have dogs again? So my wife watches a lot of different YouTube videos. She watches a lot of beauty YouTubers too, doing makeup and stuff. So we saw that a lot of them do My Dog Picks My Makeup. And since we're now in the season where we're actually going to start planting all of our plants, thought it would kind of be funny to have our dogs pick what we plant. So this is going to be the raised bed that we are going to dedicate to Pepper and Peanut, and we're going to let them pick their thing. So for the back row, which we have back there, we have some trellises there, so we picked 5 different climbing things.
Pick one. No, Peanut, down here. Pick one. Good. Oh, cucumbers!
Okay, cucumbers.
Yes, good
yes.
girl.
Good job.
Hi, Pepper. 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 Pick one. Pepper. Pepper, look. Pick one.
So this is going really well. I don't know if you can tell.
Pepper. 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 Peanut, you want to pick a second one?
Peanut.
Pick one. Nope. Peanut, pick one here. You're a good girl. Peanut.
Maybe if you hold them like a deck of cards.
Pick one. Pumpkins!
Pumpkins.
Yes.
Good job,
Good
Peanut.
girl.
Good job. All right, so next up, we have 3 different kinds of zucchinis. Let's see if we can do some better now.
Puppies! Hi, Pepper. Pick one. Pick one. That one?
Okay.
Or this one?
That one.
Do you like this
Middle.
one? Middle one? This is green zucchini. You're
Green
so
zucchini.
original. Good girl.
So in this one, we have a bunch of different kinds of peppers. Chili, habanero, cherry hot. I'm looking forward to those. Those are cool. Asco. Oh yeah.
Should we say that we cheated and purchased these?
We did cheat and purchase these.
Peanut butter!
But-
Peanut butter! Pick 2! Pick 2! Can you pick 2? Which do you like? Peanut, here. Thank you. Peanut butter, which do you like? This one?
Okay, the one on the end,
oh,
yeah.
this one,
Good
yeah.
job, Peanut.
Good girl. Good girl.
Pepper. You want to pick a pepper?
Yeah.
Come here.
Hi, Pepper. Pick one. Pepper, come here. Pepper, look, pick one. You like the tall one? Or you like this? Oh, God. What do you think? This one? Which one? Pepper, pick one.
I think the cherry hot, the tall one.
Cherry hot? This one? You like this one?
Okay.
Good girl. Chocolate pear, pink bumblebee.
Nice. So these are tomatoes. That's not a tomato.
Candyland red, super sweet hybrid 100.
And these are all ones we did in our paper pots.
Rutgers, Brandywine.
Brandywine.
Stacking the deck in favor of green seed.
All right, Pepper, what do you think?
Hi, Pepper. Do you want to? Hi. Hello. Do you want to pick a tomato? Hi. Do you want to pick a tomato? Okay, Peanut. Hi, Peanut. Do you want to pick a tomato? Come here, Peanut. Look. That face. Hi. Do you want to pick a tomato? Which one? That one?
That seems like that's the one.
You want that
Oh, yeah.
one? Yes.
The candy.
Candyland red.
Candyland red.
You like which one? You want a second one? Do you want 2? Pepper, come here, pick a tomato. Pepper, Pepper, Pepper. want to pick a tomato?
She really doesn't want to pick a tomato.
What do you think? Which one? Pick a tomato. You touch these three. Which of these three do you like? Pepper, can you pick a tomato?
Okay, Pepper, here. Rutgers?
Super Sweet Hybrid 100.
Super Sweet Hybrid 100?
Yes!
Oh, that's the one, huh?
That's the one?
Okay, so now we need like 30 more. Pink lemonade? No. Chocolate pear? No. Green zebra? Green zebra it is. Much harder than I thought it was going to be.
Pick one.
Oh, chocolate pear? All right. Good job. All right, next round. What do we got?
Okay, so we've got 2 rounds ready. We're gonna pick a backup climber in case our climber seeds don't work. So this is Coral Fountain Amaranth. John will pop up on the screen what it looks like because it's so pretty.
Maybe.
And then this is the Scarlet Runner Bean, backup climbers. Then we're gonna do some flowers. These are a feverfew that we got in a swap that looks very different than a feverfew that we planted from a seed. So
Testing.
Adventure feverfew.
Adventure fever.
Snapdragons, sunflowers, hyssop, avocado pink, candy tuft, bells of Ireland,
What's that, kale?
zinnias.
Zinnia. Bye. Since our dogs ran away, we're gonna try see if the alpacas might want to pick one.
Can somebody pick one? Macy, come here, pick. Hi, Linda. Does anybody want to pick one? Mocha, come over here. Pumpkin. Oh, here comes Mocha. Hi, Mocha. Hello. Pick one. This is Scarlet Runner Bean. This is Coral Fountain Amaranth. Linda, you want to pick? Linda. Here comes Pepper. Anybody want to pick my plants? Hi, do you want to pick my plants? Amaranth!
Oh,
Good
there it
girl.
is.
Okay.
Good job.
Pepper.
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 Dang it.
Should we let a chicken pick?
Sure, we can let a chicken pick.
Then we can call it my farm animal.
This thing has really gone off the rails.
Feverfew or snapdragons? Snapdragons!
Snapdragons it is.
Snapdragons!
Good job, chickens.
Good job, chickens. Doing better than the dogs.
Chickens are good for something. Dogs are good for... Why do we have dogs again?
Sunflowers or zinnias? Sunflowers!
Oh, good job, Pepper.
girl. Bells of Ireland or candy tuft? Bells of Ireland or candy tuft? Bells of Ireland! Hyssop or candy tuft? Dirt. Pepper. Hyssop or candy tuft? Candy tuft? Candy tuft. Yes.
Candy tuft.
Okay.
Good choice. All right, so we got everything planted. Looking real good. Thanks for your help, Peanut. So hopefully it grows and we will have one motley crew garden. We shall see. Thanks, Norman. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think. Give this video a like, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.